In the home decor world, rustic glam is a popular trend. They're not only distinctive, but both looks are very beautiful and timeless. I've partnered up with American Signature Furniture to share how I captured this charming style along with some exciting news to share with you. Before I share a tour of our dining room, many of you already know that I am the brand ambassador for Well Woven Rugs. The great news is I have my very own Be My Guest rug collection with Well Woven. I'm so honored to be chosen to represent their company. I have used so many of their area rugs in my home. The number one bestseller is the Liza Silver Plush Shag rug in our guest bedroom and the Liza White Plush Shag rug that's in my home office, and both are a part of the Feather collection, and I will have a link down below in my description box where you can shop my home collection. And now for the tour. My newest addition, the Olympic White Shag Rug. An area rug is the anchor in a room, and if you're placing one in your dining room, your rug should extend from the table approximately 18 to 24 inches. This rug has a generous pile height, although it's light in color, it's extremely durable and super easy to clean, and it's stain resistant and will not fade in the sunlight over time. The name of this table is called Lancaster. It's a 104-inch long wood-top table. It has a rich wood grain that I love. The distressed look enhances the details. The carved base caught my eyes with its unique urn style, and the pine and the elm wood is solid. For the host and side chairs, I had some options. I really wanted something different. Let me just say these chairs are super comfortable, the tweed upholstery is durable, and I'm just a sucker for tufted. The look and the style of these chairs is such a beautiful contrast to the wood. On the other side of the table, I added two settees. This is the Gabriella settee in gray. The tapered back and the skirt gives it an elegant feel, and the shiny chrome head nail trim with scallop edges on the back has won my heart totally over. I really adore settees and the versatility of them and how they can work in any space. You can use them in your entryway, in your office, and I'm really loving the unique seating options. I love the Lancaster collection so much, I'm planning on adding two of the Lancaster display cabinets with Hutch. It comes in two colors, this color and the color of my dining table, and the absolute best part of this display cabinet is that there's a chandelier inside. The planters, if you're on my Instagram, I shared them and they were highly favored. The planters are from AtHomeStores, and all I did was add faux orchids that I got from Burlington, and I placed them in the middle of the pot and added moss and faux sticks that I got from Hobby Lobby. If you guys want to see a DIY, let me know down below. Believe it or not, this is the same chandelier. I've had it for years and I still love it, and it's from Lowe's. Just by removing the existing glass bells, it instantly gave it a complete different look, and I also added crystals to it for that extra punch of glam. I will leave that link down below on how I did it. If my drapes look familiar, it's because they were in my master bedroom. They look so much better in my dining room with all of the neutral and earth tones, and they are from JCPenney. The space needed some personality and balance. Thanks to Michael's Stores, I partnered up with them and they teamed up with Aaron Brothers Custom Framing. You can upload your artwork and pick the frame and it's mailed to you. I love sea-fan decor. You can achieve the look of a coastal home without it looking overly beachy. It's obviously coastal, but you can still get that seaside elegance. I placed two mirrors over my buffet because I love how the light reflects off the crystals and the chandelier, and it makes the room feel larger. These mirrors are from Burlington. I purchased them last year for only $14.99, and I'm planning on placing one more. Under the mirrors, I have my buffet table. It was actually a TV storage unit I got from Goodwill for only $60, and I gave it a makeover using chalk paint with a faux distress finish, and for now I'm using it as storage for my entertaining pieces. I hope you all have enjoyed the tour. Remember to check out my new rug collection. I will provide that link down below in my description box. I'm excited to see how you guys include these rugs in your home, and I want to give Well Woven a virtual hug and a special thank you, and I want to thank my followers in advance for your support, and I truly thank you all for watching.